Solana Sol is a quick, decentralized, and versatile cryptographic money that uses an exceptional evidence of history agreement calculation, empowering quick exchange times and low charges, with an objective of working on decentralized finance and Web3 applications. Assuming you're searching for Solana cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Solana Sol will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of Solana Sol and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Solana is $124.17 and Sol is right now positioned #5 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Solana is 447,240,819 with a market cap of $55,530,775,715. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.17% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Sol with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Solana is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Sol is down to nearly 17.98% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. We foresee future Solana cost expectations Sol figure by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Solana. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Sol coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Solana market cap, Solana volume, and hardly any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Solana value expectation synopsis. Solana cost figure recommends a chance of Sol exchanging between $222.89 to $264.43 in 2025. Solana is as of now estimated at $124.17 on the lookout. Long Hole Examination recommends that Solana cost might actually flood to $70,020 by 2050. with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $63,384 and $80,696. Solana Sol is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $1,615 toward the finish of 2030. There is potential for Solana cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $54,025 toward the finish of 2040. Solana Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $149.50 in 2024. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $175.14 with a typical exchanging cost of $155.71 all through 2024. Solana Value Expectation 2025. Solana cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $222.89 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $264.43 with the typical gauge cost of $230.67. Sol Value Estimate for 2026. Solana cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $346.02 in 2026. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $393.50 with a typical figure cost of $355.24. Solana Sol Value Forecast 2027. The cost of one Solana is supposed to reach at any rate level of $483.63 in 2027. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $602.05 with the typical cost of $501.39 all through 2027. Solana Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Sol, in 2028 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $724.96. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $837.47 with the typical exchanging cost of $750.03. Solana Value Expectation 2029. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least worth of $1,052 in 2029. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,258, with the typical exchanging cost of $1,090 all through 2029. Solana Sol Value Expectation 2030. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2030 the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1,571. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1,846, with the typical worth of $1,615. Solana Value Conjecture 2031. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $2,281 in 2031. The Solana cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2,777, with the typical cost of $2,346 all through 2031. Solana Sol Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Sol, in 2032 the cost of Solana is gauged to be at around a base worth of $3,348. The Solana value worth can arrive at a limit of $3,973, with a typical exchanging worth of $3,441 in USD. Solana Value Expectation 2033. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $4,780. The Sol cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5,833, with a typical exchanging cost of $4,952. Solana Value Conjecture 2040. The reception and true use instances of a digital currency are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with reasonable applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Solana cost conjecture for 2040, Sol is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $54,025 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Sol coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $35,654, while the typical cost of the Solana for 2040 is projected to be $40,190. Sol Value Gauge for 2050. Long-haul forecast ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the digital currency market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key methodologies for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our Sol cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of $80,696, while the base value worth of a Solana can be around $63,384, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $70-$20 approximately. Could Solana at any point reach $1,000? In light of the ongoing flowing stockpile and market capitalization, it's feasible for Solana Sol to reach $1,000. However, it would require huge development. With a coursing supply of 447,320,259 Sol,